Okay, to assemble the landmine, it's very simple. In your box, you should have gotten 2 landmine attachments, a bar, and then 2 of these little brackets. I don't know what you'd call these. You take this bar, put it into one of the holes on your rack. I'm trying to do this with my phone in my hand. Slide the landmine attachments on. Put your brackets on. One side should have a hole. You'll need an Allen wrench for this. This is what the finished product should look like. You can go from the bottom or from the next rung up. Either one will work perfectly fine. This is what it should look like. One side may not have a screw hole, and that's okay. Actually, I'll even slide it a little bit farther out. I'm not torquing it down crazy. This is just to keep that attachment in place. And it should have a little bit of movement. So that way it can adjust with the bar as you're working out. Something like that is what the final product should look like.